AI chatbots and platforms replacing traditional search engine? It's a common question we get asked, so I wanted to share some new research that helps to shine a light on the answer and how this impacts your marketing strategy and what you can do about it now. Now, as a plot spoiler, the short answer is no. In fact, it's sort of the opposite, with this new research from SparkToro and Semrush showing that AI platforms and chatbots are actually sort of additive, meaning it's been layered on top of traditional search rather than replacing it. Now, we've included the links to the research in our blog and in the comments below, so if you want to read more, you're more than welcome. But here are 3 key takeaways from that data to save you some time. It's worth noting, though, this data is from the US and it uses clickstream data. First, according to the research, traditional search is still strong. Over 95% of people use search engines every month, and heavy use, which is people searching more than 10 times a month, has grown from 84% in 2023 to 87% in 2025. Second, ChatGPT users are not abandoning Google. Semrush analysed 260 billion rows of clickstream data and found that after using ChatGPT, people's Google searches stayed the same or even increased. People did not substitute Googling for ChatGPTing. There was even a slight increase in average sort of Google search usage after the adoption of ChatGPT. This suggests that AI tools are being used in conjunction with traditional search. And third, the sort of AI adoption is growing, but slowly. Use of AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini has risen massively from 8% to 38% in 2.5 years, but this speed of growth has flattened since 24, which suggests adoption could be reaching a saturation point with those early adopters that we've all been targeting. So what does that mean for marketeers? Well, I think it means SEO remains foundational, but AI search is now a new channel to consider, I guess. I mean, to stay ahead, you need what you may call a dual approach. And here are 3 steps I wanted to run through right now. Firstly, don't get distracted by the new shiny AI platforms and tools like a kid in a sweet shop. I love a gadget, but you need to keep delivering a robust SEO strategy. Secondly, add AI search to your marketing mix and dashboard. See how your brand appears in tools like ChatGPT and Gemini. And thirdly, benchmark and track what's actually happening in search for your brand and product or services, and monitor where your audience is searching so you can adapt to it. As I've mentioned before, SEO is going to break that sort of formulaic, one-size-fits-all boring strategy that's sort of worked for the last 10 years but shouldn't have. SEO or GEO, or whatever you want to call it, is going to be fun again, like it was in the early 2000s, when if you stood still, you got left behind. So in a nutshell, this is not, I guess, AI versus SEO, it's AI and SEO. And my view is that brands that embrace both and create unique, helpful and interesting content in that technically correct way will be best placed to thrive in the future.